Pinoy Kapalaran, Pinoy Kapalaran, oh, Pinoy Kapalaran.
Magandang araw mga ka-Zodiac! Welcome sa ating segment na Lucky Lotto Numbers. Halina't alamin kung ano ang swerteng numero para sa araw na ito base sa zodiac sign mo. Kaya mga ka-Zodiac, good vibes lang at palaging maging positive ang mindset. Huwag rin kalimutang magdasal sa taas para sa dagdag na swerte. Kunin na ang inyong papel at lapis at baka ikaw na ang susunod na lotto winner.
Habang pinapanood natin ang ating mga lucky numbers, heto naman ang isang inspiring story na pampagood vibes sa inyong lahat.
Arnel, 39, worked as a parking attendant outside a grocery store in Taguig. From sunrise to late evening, he guided cars in and out, whistling directions and waving drivers along, rain or shine. Most people barely noticed him, but he always greeted them with a nod and a polite smile. Every payday, Arnel set aside 20 to play the lotto. It had become his small tradition, a quiet act of hope. His wife teased him about it, saying he should save the money instead. But Arnel believed that one day, luck might finally pull over and stop in his lane. One Sunday evening, while having dinner with his family, Arnel casually checked the lotto results on his phone. He read the numbers once, then twice. On the third time, he stood up so fast he knocked over a glass of water. All 6 numbers matched. He had won the jackpot, 63 million. He didn't scream or jump. Instead, Arnel sat down, hands trembling, and looked at his wife. "Panalo tayo," he said quietly, almost as if he didn't believe it himself. The room fell silent. Then came the tears, not from shock, but from years of silently enduring. Arnel claimed his prize at the lotto office the next day, dressed in the same blue polo he wore to work. He declined interviews, avoided photos, and went straight home after. He wasn't interested in attention, just a new beginning. With the money, he bought a modest house outside the city and paid off all their debts. He gave his parents enough to retire peacefully and opened a small auto repair shop for his younger brother, who had always dreamed of one. His wife put up a rice and grocery store near their new home. Arnel also donated a portion to rebuild the leaking roof of a nearby public school where his daughter used to study. He didn't want recognition. He only wanted to give back to a place that had once helped his family during the hardest times. He didn't return to his old job, but he often passed by the parking lot to say hello to the new attendants. He'd hand them snacks or bottles of water, never mentioning his win. He just wanted them to know someone was cheering for them. When asked by a friend what he learned from the whole experience, Arnel said, "Hindi mo kailangan magbago para maging maswerte. Pero kapag dumating ang swerte, piliin mong maging mabuti pa rin." For him, the win was a blessing, not a ticket out, just a better seat in the same life he already loved. Arnel still woke up early, drank coffee on the porch, and walked his daughter to school. Only now, he did it without worry. No more counting coins or skipping meals, just peace, purpose, and the quiet joy of knowing he finally had more than enough.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at laging tandaan, hindi hawak ng mga bituin ang ating kapalaran. Gabay lamang ito. Meron po tayong wisdom at free will na pwede nating gamitin. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, i-click lang ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa ating daily horoscope.